Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will be showing you how you can set up a network-wide ad blocking using a Raspberry Pi. In this video I will be using Raspberry Pi Model 3B+. So let's get started. First, you have to give your Raspberry Pi a static IP address through your admin page of your router. So head on to your browser and type your router's IP address and go to your admin page. After that, add a reservation of your Raspberry Pi IP address. And as you can see, I have given a reservation. After that, we need to install pihole on your Raspberry Pi. Type pihole on your browser. Click on pihole and you can see the supported operating system. I have installed Raspberry Pi OS. So just click it install. It will redirect you to GitHub. From there, scroll down and copy the link. Then open your terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt+T and type sudo to give it root permission. After that, just paste the link that you have copied. Hit enter. It will update the local cache and it will give you a notification. Just hit enter. And after that, it will ask you to select the upstream DNS provider. In my case, I am choosing Google DNS. Hit enter. And guys, do not change anything, just press enter. And now it will start downloading files. It will take a couple of minutes. After installing, it will prompt you with your Raspberry Pi IP address and the admin password. Make sure you note the password and hit enter. Now let's head on to our PC. Now let's do an ad check. As you can see, there are 5 ads in these sites. So let's check another sites which contain ads. Here also you can see there are ads. So let's see how you can enable pihole on your PC. First, close your browser and open network and internet settings. From there, click on Change Adapter option. Right click on Ethernet, click on Properties and open the properties of IPv4 and click on the following DNS server and type your Raspberry Pi's IP address. And check the validate settings and exit and click OK and now close. Now let's move on to the site where we saw ads. So guys, as you can see, there is no ads at all, and in this site also you can see there are no ads. So let me show you how you can enable pihole on your smartphone. So just go to your Wi-Fi settings, click on advanced and change the IP settings from DHCP to static on DNS1 and type your Raspberry Pi's IP address. Click on save. It will reconnect and connect to your Wi-Fi. So let's do an ad test. As you can see, there are no ads where the pihole is enabled. So let's see a website which contains contains ad. So here also you can see where the pihole is enabled, there are no ads. Now I will show you how you can go to your pihole admin. Just type your Raspberry Pi IP address and hit enter. Now paste the password and click on login. From here you can see the clients connected and the blocked consents, and also your Raspberry Pi condition, the temperature, the load, etc. So guys, thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this video, give it a like.